Hello, YouTubers. Oh, that's so bright. Oh my god. Oh. I am at home today, where I got home like an hour ago or so, and I tried cracking my back, and now I'm on the floor in my room, and I can't get up. My back hurts so bad, I can't even sit up. It fucking hurts. Hopefully I can look back on this video and laugh my ass off about it, because this is kind of ridiculous. My cats are like looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing on the floor? I mean, I'm not kidding. I'm literally like, there's my bed, and like, yeah, I'm on the floor. There's my door. Luckily, my maintenance guy, I was able to call him, and he came in and opened the front door. So if I needed some help and I needed somebody to come over, they could help me somehow. I don't know what the fuck to do. Update on my skin tag. Look, it's gone. I mean, it's not fully gone, but it's like it went away. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's like there's like a little nub now. Right there. So the apple cider vinegar remedy works. I'll probably reapply it later, sometime today. But yeah, this fucking sucks because I can't even get up. Like I was slumped over my bed, and I couldn't even like lift my torso to be in an upright position on my knees when I was slumped over my bed. And moving from that slumped position onto the floor was so excruciating. Like, I wanted to cry. It fucking hurts. And I've called a couple people so far. I don't want to call 911 because it kind of seems silly. But, you know, like that's one expensive ambulance ride for a fucking back issue. Oh my god. I got ice on my back right now, so hopefully that'll help with the swelling, and hopefully I can be back functioning before my roommate gets off, because he needs a ride, and I don't want to upset him. So, yeah, this fucking sucks. I'm using my phone light to bright up my room because I'm like on the floor in the dark. I hope this is like not how the rest of my life will be. I hope I'm not like a paralyzed person from the legs down. I mean, I'm not paralyzed. I can move my legs, but my lower back, I feel like somebody fucking hit me with a baseball bat in my lower back. It fucking hurts. So, anyways, hopefully, like I said, I can look back on this and laugh. This is very silly, but I'll keep you guys updated, I guess. One way to start the fucking week, right? Oh my god.